Another week of football, another week of the World Cup, and we are in the PSL action that is going to be taking place very, very soon. The league starts on the 1st of August and we all are ready. However, as South Africans, as football-loving nation and people, on Saturday we got some devastating news about one of the promising young players, Jayden Adams, whose life ended tragically. And this is so sad for all of us. We'll try and go through his life and pay a tribute to him as we begin the show in a very, very, very sad way with heavy hearts. Gents, how are you doing? Ngiyaphila njani? Michael? How are you doing? We good. Firstly, let's get into it. But before we do that, can we observe a moment of silence for the late Jayden Adams? Thank you. Yeah, some heavy news coming through from the football fraternity. Bafana Bafana's international Jayden Adams, Mamelodi Sundowns' Jayden Adams, a very promising young player. You were an advocate of Jayden Adams in everything that you spoke about. You pushed him, you pushed his name. How are you feeling right now?
Yeah, very sad for South African football. Very sad for every fan in South Africa. Very sad for Mamelodi Sundowns team. I'm a teammate wakhe, umndeni waka Adams.
Yeah.
His kids, very disturbing. And even myself, Njobusho, umfana, I come from the World Cup. You won the star. You won the star. Started this season bit shaky.
Yes, it did.
But you came back strong. Combination, creating a combination, unstoppable in as a continental football. Disturbing fit because I understand what happened. Okay, yes, I'm a rumor, but give mustn't feeling was a question a man somewhat to he come from Jobangishi won the star with Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
Very big trophy. Young South African football player, I think he want to play that trophy and win. He went to the World Cup, was selected, he went to the World Cup. I think his career can be taking direction.
Sure.
And I was so pleased, and now the way because I don't know, especially Mamelodi Sundowns national team. Nia's good World Cup, he never played, he never got the chance. But for Woodbam select, it's something big. So Nia's booze I'm to what happened. And I wonder if Begun stress whereby career was not a good point, good Pagam. Mshambe he was struggling, not playing at Mamelodi Sundowns. Our winner next, or is injured, injury whereby disturbing. But now, we went to Mamelodi Sundowns, one of the biggest team in Africa as a continent. They're one of the biggest team in South Africa, so did very well, regular player, and young surprise.
Yeah. Michael.
Ayishindlandla man yazi man besidlala mangizwa le ndaba man nathi besidlala lapha ku ditlhako mangiqeda ukudlala man sengathi mangithatha ifoni ngibona lento bayipostile kwenye group yethu yeLontuza bathi Adams like azange ngibelieve enhlanhla because ngile ngacoca noSifiso Mini kancane ngimtshela man ukuthi kwenzakala into so until baze bayiconfirm man enhlanhla. I think it's a sad news for the South African football because mongabheka nomfana lento yenzeke kuphi enhlanhla yenzeke la sekatshintsha khona i-career yakhe bese ku turning point whereby ukuthi ufike ku Sundowns beyangadlali bese bacala ukumjudge they were signing but we turn around everything, went for the national team or winner iLontuza
the star
winning star in Sundowns now beka ku World Cup and ucontributile na World Cup enhlanhla aish qedile sovuka ekseni yazi uma kusonhlanhla ufisa ukuthi ngabe bafana zange iphume eish ngaba mhlambe sikhuluma different
mhlambe kabe usasekhona
aish yabona ngenhliksi because man indaba eziso man zibhlungu man I'm thinking about the family abantwana bakhe aish it's very sad man Nhlanhla man, it's very sad, but isikolo engeke sisibalekele empilweni ngoba asazi ukuthi lento izoyenzeka nini eze singabavakashi sonke kulomhlaba, but it's a pity ukuthi Nhlanhla imenzekele kule stage akiso phela, it was a future for Bafana Bafana futhi again,
And Sundowns as well.
as Sundowns as well. So siluze as a country Nhlanhla, that's why ngikhala kakhulu as a country siluze like ijemu Nhlanhla.
Yeah. Sure.
It's very sad man.
Yeah, man. I wonder how the Sundowns team is going to carry on this week. Because abanye bebasase ku holiday, especially the ones that came from the World Cup. And now that they have to go back to work and face this kind of difficulty, they might just have or experience a difficult season ahead.
Inzima kakhulu Nhlanhla, inzima kakhulu manje, that's why manje vele mentally ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi babe strong Nhlanhla, because ngaphandle kwaloko vele izobalimaza Nhlanhla man, nama memories asekabile nabo labantu beSundowns man, is gonna like every time iba reminder lento yakhe, so isikhathini esinje Nhlanhla kunje babe strong sinabo sobabeka nabe emthandazweni man, badlule kule situation abakizo.
And especially for his former team, Stellenbosch, because Stellenbosch gave him the platform that he actually gained and became the household name that we know now. They also must be devastated because bamkhulisile ukhulele phambi kwabo, and now that they were looking to see greater things from him, and this is what they wake up to. Can you imagine what the academy is going through? Stellenbosch, even coach Baka, because he saw him through and they won the Carling Black Label with him, and he went to win with Mamelodi Sundowns as well, and getting that call up to go through to the World Cup.
Yeah, njoba asho Michael le i-calling into enjengale mfethu yabo ukufa Nhlanhla enye into man, nabo into engajwayeleki, yabo ne funeral into engajwayeleki, and yenzekana noma kubani sonke sinaleso sikweleti Michael njoba asho. And internet inesikhathi yabo, very disturbing yabo. We never knew ukuthi this guy uJaden kule weekend esibuya kuyo umuntu ozihamba emhlabeni, and uNkulunkulu usebenza ngalendlela Nhlanhla yabo, nokuthi umuntu ama surprises yabo. We don't know God ngamehlo wena ngeke umbone uphile, so mangithi yonke into inesikhathi Nhlanhla, it's a sad like it's sad like a sad season for South African football, a sad year, let me put it that way. Unyaka uzoqala Sundowns players I can imagine ukuthi kwenzakalani engqondweni zabo, ezusho umndeni wakhe, Steve Barker coach, former coach ukusimba now, Stellenbosch ezusho the director bamnika platform yabona, and uJaden Dr. Petrus Motsepe president I deep kakhulu, so aliyange bayikhohle mfethu, and it's a sad thing man. South African footballers, the way they die ayibi normal man. Abanye ama accident ushela phakathi kwemoto, sikhuluma ngwane lengqonqa ikenzeka uSundowns Mudisha happen gift Lorraine yabona. So mina ngihlale ngisho Nhlanhla, it goes with a spiritual problem. Abantu bazoyithatha kancane this thing yabo. I don't know, angimanga spiritual angeke summarize yabo, I will just say it kancane lento deep kakhulu yabo, and ngihlale ngemphasize the best way to communicate with God umthandazo Nhlanhla, and lento le omunye umuntu angamangala ngiza la cala ngithi kancane ngisayokuca ngikhulume noChrist before ngiza la, singafika la shani ngincane Nhlanhla, ikhona leyo nto yabo. Kunehlakanipho emhlabeni Nhlanhla, ngicela ungithathe serious. There are people akusonke umuntu ozoyizwa ke le language yabona, and angeke ngiforce abantu ukuthi bayizwe yabona. Indaba spiritual Nhlanhla into deep kakhulu, but into engesikhulume ngazo lezo manje, and umfana engizokusho may soul rest in peace, uNkulunkulu amamukele nezinyanya abakibo balele man, bahlale naye kahle umfana, umoya wakho uphole, and uChrist avulele nomndeni wakhe kube ne continuity ngathi lela talent elingawela one of the child, kube ne continuity yabona, amuphe leso sipho bachubeke umndeni impilo ichubeke, and very sad mfethu, I can be honest, and ne Sundowns I know ukuthi they've got top class players individual abangeza bafila up that gap, but Jaden Adams ngeke aphinda bekhona. The name Jaden Adams ngeke liphinde libe umuntu awukwazi ukuthi replace umuntu aka replaceeki Nhlanhla yabona, we can't compare umuntu aka replaceeki le amphefumulo ngeke uphinde bekhona, but njengoba sisho may a soul continue rest in peace umfana. Nami ngizosibhlungu, and I think everyone ophila kule country uzobhlungu, and ngibona na World Cup mayidlala memories to show ukuthi lento disturb umhlaba wonke mawuchecka lapha kune moment of silence when they check i-picture ngathi umfana uzombona vela yabo yabona if esikwazi ukuphikisa ukufa nhlanhla esibe sokwazi ukuthi sithi no hayi le we all abanye baye emsebenzini no it's sad mfethu kuhlunga kakhulu angikwazi ukuyi-explain and I can only express my feelings and very very sad very very serious and lento le mabayikhuluma mina can imagine umndeni ngiyazi ngoba bamhlanje yabo i-funeral mawizwele kudeni ngathi joke yabo mayikini yabo the day kuzofika yabona ilanga lokuthi lo muntu uyabeka kula ubona khona ukuthi umuntu akasekho and amfethu ngicela nje uNkulunkulu abe nalo yamndeni man yabona awuqinise it's not going to be easy so naku Sundowns family ama players yo hayinzima nabantwana bakhe ayinhlanhla emndeni wakibo yo hayi dangerous kakhulu but you can only ayikho into esoyishile ngokusekusho kuphela kube besikwazi ukuthi sivimbe besisolve imandla.
Sure. Let's just talk about your fondest memories of him. Much as Siakala, but it's a life worth celebrating. It's a life that entertained us, that gave us great football. Like I said, when it came to Jaden Adams, you would be that guy. You know, you were advocate. You'd want him to be pushed and give us your fondest memories. Let me start with you, Michael.
Nanhlanhla into engingayisho mane ngaye lo mfana lo nanhlanhla njengoba ngisho ngithi like usuke ku Stellenbosch ya performer and then he went to Sundowns. USundowns waqala kwaba I remember signing yakhe as uModric makafika ku Madrid. He was once labeled as the worst signing. And then uModric bheka icareer yakhe le ya end up kanjani ku Jaden. So once nama ngibona lo mfana mani lo nto zakhe bengifuna ukuyifanisa neyakho uModric because if ungacheka nhlanhla la khona izinto sezicala zithi aish kula khona nhlanhla share khona man la ku set khona kulapho ukuthi la sekaqala ukuraise khona igame yakhe but it happened with abo Senzo Meyiwa if you remember na situation ka Senzo we umuntu usekade ubamba ipick nhlanhla if you remember Senzo he was bese number 1 kubafana bafana at that time like wakasaqala ukuperform everybody was starting uqala ukuthi ampraise and then some loser na
Gifty Remy as well his career
like
was
check bonke madika mucheka la khona sebathi you understand vele kwenzeke lento le but for uJaden Nhlanhla mina was happy ngalento ayenzile like kusuke from Stellenbosch and then ufike eklabini njenge Sundowns kanjena like he was not near than i national team but bekufika uyichinja impilo yakhe manje he went to the World Cup Nhlanhla win stand Nhlanhla aish
and then game like leyo uzomkhumbula ngayo like le game uthi hayibona le game leyana hayi wakukhiphela kuyo which game was that
yo
okay while you think about it Thabo
Nhlanhla let me be honest mina
the game that stood out for you la umbone khona
there's many games Jaden I can't say one many games especially high profile games ngikhuluma nge-Champions League
sure
against Orlando Pirates ithi ngisho mfethu uStellenbosch one of the best talent graduated from the development ranks phela mabuye ku development abantu khona abangakuna challenges yabo you're not gonna enter like ngeke uhole njenga someone bamthengile
sure
and bazokuthi bakhulisile and you need to understand we gave a platform ungana any profile like ngichaza ukuthi you were nobody and then we gave a platform though it's a give and take talent bakuphela nabo bakuphi ungana talent mfana umphile talent uNkulunkulu nabakibo so la mfana ku Stellenbosch top notch player
sure
the reading understanding kule age akuyo ingqondo yakhe bengathi computer the boy could read the game very simple and very composed technically superior mfana uphula amawindi could goals ukwazi ukora mfana and Sundowns I think babheke njengoba ngi-Sundowns ayisign noma bani babheke ukuthi uzofitha na and then bama-identify came there started a bit shaky njengoba ngisho umuntu ayikuthi makaperforma kumaZulu or wherever I'm just making example maZulu Stellenbosch Chipa wherever sekukundela iscore zone lama team uzoperforma ku Sundowns or Pirates or Chiefs it's not gonna happen you need a strong character talent only is not enough mina ngihlale ngisho I don't care anyway ibani uthini so uJaden bonisile ukuthi strong mfana started a bit slow Sundowns there's high profile players team assemble so ubheke nje iGrandstand yabo enye team ongayassemble i-challenge ibethwe premiership any trophy lo ngayibeka phezulu kwetafula they can challenge depending on coach ukuthi obviously how is he going to select his team combination yakwazi ukuyihlanganisa, but a very strong team. Nenye into mangithi strong uJD started slow kunama expectations team akafika. Mina I was very critical makajoin iSundowns first half of the season to him, very critical because benginama expectations. Mara ngiphinde ngibe nalisting ukuthi ukudlala kulama club akusipha nenyama. And I was suspecting ukuthi they can let him go. Sundowns says loan wherever bese ngi-suspect. But second round of the season ngikhuluma ngabo January. Asikhulume before AFCON.
Yeah, before AFCON.
We wahlanganise new combination no Debza. La embizini mfethu. Sometimes no Alende or no Nuno. Anhlanhla, one of the best combination in the continent. Not in Betway Premiership. They can Sundowns phela lapha kulabe strong khona. Ngiyayibona front three yabo. Front three yabo iphukile man. Kulabe kune after kambo repair mina front three ngiyayibona. At the back I can't say they are strong. He's strong like Sundowns. When in the midfield they will kill you because they will train you. They will move the ball. Bazo cholana. They understand one another. Him and Debza actually. I know ukuthi Marcelo Land is one of the best nganywa kakhulu Marcelo. Elinye talent heavy selected South Africa. But truly speaking, with Debza no Jaden the way they were understanding. Ngoba Debza could go as good to Jaden umile. Yabo, Jaden could go as good to Debza umile. And West bese kakora makula fighter uJaden. Mawa cheka uKaruso the way I'm coaching ngakhona. Uyishintshile impilo kaJaden naye uKaruso mele simshayile izandla no Jaden compliment ukuthi a respond because bekakora amagoli manje. He was scoring goals. Ule Jaden ngimaziyo weStellenbosch but to pick up ile because Sundowns weStellenbosch abafana. Now Enhlanhla mfethu after AFCON going to the World Cup the boy was in top of his game, and on top of his game you mfethu understand ukuthi okay ngiyazi ukuthi bangafaka noma ubani but uJaden yobe sakwenye level yabo, and njengoba sho Michael na World Cup contributed play compose ngaleli likwazi ukora amagoli liyaphambili. Yazi ukusiza ukudlala ama player modlala defensive midfield aba confused makumele babamnikeze attack abathi namhlanje usidlalele 8 or 10 yabo uba confused yabo mabamdlalisa sort of 6 defensive midfield uba confused but uJaden ile player leli belikwazi ukwenza le nto le both. So I plan njengalela kuzoba nje ukuthi South Africa iphinde produce Olympic age economy years. So asilahlekele as a country yonke, and I mean mfethu umfana mina nginama favorite PSL aborile yena lo mfana special talent. Mina nginankinga special talent especially kuya ku development ngifene development but ngihlale ngisho ngeke coach player ngekho talented yabona. Yeah.
Michael, do you remember here? We coming back.
La kunayo Nhlanhla zigame ngizothi janje man mangibheka icontribution yakhe to South African football Nhlanhla as the whole Nhlanhla contributile mfana, and then at early age asuka ku Stellenbosch ubuya azoyenza lento ayenzile Nhlanhla kusina noma ubani njengoba akasho Nhlanhla coming from a small team ubuye ukuzodlala eklabini efana nabo Sundowns is not easy Nhlanhla enzakana neEurope sinokubona iplayer libantswembu le balithathe balilethe lana ahluleke ukukhupha but so far yena Nhlanhla into ayenzile ukwazile ukuthi amanage especially from players abasuka eCape Town mongabheka esikhathini esiningi mawafika la igoli man kuba nzima ukuadapt angisho yazi bathi igoli lihlala lilayitile lihlala kusemini but yena man amele simshayile izandla man Nhlanhla man. May his soul rest in peace Nhlanhla, ifamily man igcine ngoba siyazi ama situation aso man angadabuka elinye pain futhi ifamily nomunye bathi sekakhale kakhulu naye yaziyamlimaza you understand. So na ezinye zezinto nazo kumele sizithandazise lezo Nhlanhla ukuthi abagcine into neziso siyazi inzima lento man but akukho kungadluli ecineni Nhlanhla. Njengoba ngisho ngithi siphile empilweni sibolekiwe kahle impilo singakwadluli kulomhlaba.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. You have to ukuthi nje ushima ke yakho udlule history ezokukhulumena Nhlanhla.
Yep. Yeah. All right, and bese asibiza uGrotman uJita kundinwele wathi hayi no now I'm a Grotman.
Ayisho ngibone enye video yakhe no police sorry kancane ngibone enye video yakhe no police lapha bajayivela ilonto
ingoma yeMaskandi.
Man.
Yeah.
It's very painful man Nhlanhla man.
Yeah, well I guess so sala nama memories and try and take it one day at a time, and hopefully the family will also with time find peace and adjust. Ngoba impilo, the pain does not get any better, but you learn to live with the absence of your loved one. And we wish the family strength, light, and love. And we move on to the next. And the next is the rumor mill. So there's different rumors that are taking place. But firstly, before we go into rumors, Relebohile Mofokeng made headlines last week, and he made headlines with a mere joke that turned into something else. And then into the rumor mill, there's rumors that Apolis might be leaving Orlando Pirates. There's rumors that Ngwana Sesi might be leaving Orlando Pirates. There's rumors that Mohaung Kota might be returning to Orlando Pirates. There's rumors that Ripiro might be returning to Mamelodi Sundowns. But we're going to talk firstly about Relebohile Mofokeng and the contribution that he's likely to make. And now that he's going, kune space, esizosala lapha Orlando Pirates. And let's talk about who is likely to replace Urile at Orlando Pirates, Michael.
Replace in terms of what?
In terms, angithi uyahamba Urile.
Yeah.
So ubani ongathatha ispace sakarile, who can make better contribution that what Rile did?
No, manje Nhlanhla, it's a matter ukuthi wonke ama-player lapha, because monga-check uRayile like kule season like into ayicontributile is big Nhlanhla, because monga-check kuma-goals and assists is number 1.
Sure.
That's the proof ukuthi ukubonisile ukuthi into ayenzile kule season at an early age. But mina into engingayisho manje Nhlanhla like sekusemajiteni asele kabotito bakhona, there's still abomuremi, angisho abapholisa bakahambi sisezwe kusesamaruma. I think mina kuzoba ne-big problem. Whereby if Bazo lose 3 to 4 players, you understand?
It'll go,
yeah,
sure.
because really we know it's one of rare talent. But in Tenga Pirates bakhona bomremi, Usbelebele was playing as a right back. Like there are plenty of players there. So depend with whether Sfonum replace as a winger or Sfonum replace as number 10. About Tito na biskatsa was Pakamisa, Luzamelu Pakamisa, Sabona Wabana fight in the coach. But we as my player, we have to man up and Tlantla. Mase Winjena. Meluphakamisa isandla ukuthi nami ngiyayifuna ichance Nhlanhla, because makuso is not all about ukuthi uRayile winning, it's all about ukuthi continuity yePirates iya kanjani. When you start M10-8 we win M10-8, that's where into ezocala zenzeni zijudge ngePirates from lapho. But into ezobalekile as a coach manje is continuity Nhlanhla, because nangaphandle ukuthi umluzi play lifana noRayile, even if you get injured asithi umluzanga une injury, how are you gonna cope? So yabona some of the players manje nabo kumele baphakamisa isandla, but iPirates into engiyazi ngayo Nhlanhla angeke ba relax emakethi basese busy Nhlanhla. Ubonile ngisho noNdlovu baba hijack noNdlovu, so I think nabo basazolwele ngoba basayinile nabo ama players like from Swelele.
Yeah.
You understand, but the pressure coming from Swelele, and manje uyazi mawuzodlala leya position beyidlala uRayile abantu bazofuna umuntu ozodo better than uRayile, you understand. But let's give it time isibone Nhlanhla, because into engiyaziyo nabo basazo emarket manje ayikakavani. League yaqala manje nge1 mara but basazo sign Nhlanhla. Definitely so basazo sign.
All right, Aga. The signings siyabona kuyaphithizela like in the transfer window, and umfana wahamba confirmed waze washo ukuthi hayi Kaizer Chiefs izophumula yimi mara sikho lapho. Let's talk about who is likely to fill those shoes that Rile is going to leave in that space. Ivoid yakhe ingafila ubani?
Yeah, Nhlanhla, Pirates is a big team. Pirates is bonisile ukuthi bona they can go and find a talent. Complimenting Hlale ngisho iPirates yenze emalini ngomhawu Nkotha, Mbikezeli Mbokazi, Relebohile Mofokeng. Ile Hlale sisho, it's not all about you spending money by signing players. If you scout properly and then you nurture that talent, Pirates ibonisile ukuthi development baleka kakhulu. I mean, lo mfana lo ubuye school and then spend 2 seasons or 1 season. Kujo, which is ukuthi DC compliment uJoe ukuthi nabomxolisi uPirates abonkosana Khoza no Dr. Ivan Khoza ukuthi babonele la talent yabo, ngoba leyo nto leyo phela bengesazurili if Pirates amnika ngichance yabo. Ngambona uRuli school, but mina if bengithi ngimbonile ngi1 people bangambonanga bengeka ithola opportunity to go even to World Cup even there. So Nhlanhla, Pirates lost a special talent. Amaplayer njengalawo mina ngihlale ngisho ayitholakala easy. Pirates club enkulu true, but nowadays ibhola lishintshile, ibhola become a business. Yabo amaplayer njengalawa special talented players kule age beka kuyo akusizi kwathola. Big card first season show up, we win Young Player of the season. Second season win isibo. La mfana lo ya I don't care about uthini, contribute kakhulu kula ma trophy Pirates owinile. Ezasho Michael is number 1 in terms of assist and in terms of goal scoring, and that boy Nhlanhla mfethu une strong character man and a very very decisive umuntu bekadecide ama-game Orlando Pirates and I mean if lo mfana uzothola i-call up kubafana bafana regularly ikutshela enye into kunama-player that awathole lapha ku-Betway Premiership who perform sometimes week in and week out but bawushiye ngihlale ngisho uma udlala unumber ama-player bhaya adlala amaningi adlala unumber 10 eSouth Africa ama-players walanda ngaphandle yabo bo-repair ama-players awamature let me put it that even noma ngabe akusiwe phela ama-player nje nesike South Africa produce ama-player travelile kwamanye ama-team athole experience 27 28 29 khana adlala li-position number 10 because ifuna ucabanga uyi-link when you play making it liyamfana afike ko-Orlando Pirates bamdlala isiwing and then ngihlale ngisho mina i-player attacking angiunderstand iplay lidlala i-attacking elingakwazi dlala i-wing elingakwazi dlala la phakathi number 10 ngakwazi ukudlala white on the left angizwisisi kimi yes ngiyazi ukuthi the more you play there do well there uba stereotype but you end up ujwayela la mara really ubonisile ukuthi could play going forward anyway so lela player leli ukuze balithole not to say Pirates can't replace but it will take time I mean masikhuluma nje iVAR Pirates beyigcine nini win league
12 years
just
ago?
ubufakazi
Yeah.
ubupaki ngenye language
Yeah.
ubufakazi yeah understand
Yeah.
and then igcine nini uwina nje trophies beyigcine nini Orlando Pirates
For sure.
not to say ukuthi beyigcine kudala nhlanhla so the boy contribute akayenzanga i1
Yes.
yabo
It was a
cela
team
ucompliment
effort.
no Jose Rivero ngiyazi abantu abam ngiqale ngampoint mina ngifihla mina ngeke ngampointa kakhulu Jose Rivero yabo
No, Absalom.
yeah
What do you
ngicela
want?
ukuqala le Jose Rivero because yena ufike wa continuity that's all ngisho umuntu obelievele kulabafana abomangothi ukuthi bahambe akusi easy inhlanhla you cannot compete against a team that is a high profile njenge Sundowns ku market even profile play ubheka ama play ku Sundowns and then ubheka ukuthi how much ngikhuluma i-bill those players ukuthi babathenga emalini ngesi question indaba Sundowns now if they afford akekho umuntu ekumele abaquestion but Jose Rivero udlale ngalabafana emfethu akusi easy coaching ngaphandle high profile team njenge Orlando Pirates ifake starting 11 mawubheka ama youngsters mangithi ama youngsters age ila kuboma 22 kuya phansi ama player boma 6 or 5 silula and then you are competing with Mamelodi Sundowns and uyazi abonkosana Ivan Khoza Dr Ivan Khoza bafuna league they want trophies Paris mawudlala mawicoach they want trophies so compliment Jose Rivera ya ngimshayela izandla ngoba ngiqale ngampointa kakhulu ngingaba critical kuye Mario ngiprove ya echina iyalazi ibhola that Spanish guitar yalazi ibhola because icoach ekwazi ukuwina keep the best out of players yabona can have a combination marma ungakwazi keep the best out of players and ama player amancane so the best ngibabonile nabo nkothi ngibonile ku Champions League night before amba bekenzana yabo kudlala wing alabafana ukuthi mina ubelieve ukuthi ngidlala iChampions League away ngiyabafaka kuna problem compliment so abo yana lo mfana bekezela imgokazi wadu and I some compliment to continuity ngoba umunye coach naye wadu somnika yona enye into ukwazi ukugeleza game ukwazi ukufunda igame wadu I think the best coaches enhle ukufunda igame ubabona lapho nhlanhla win a game from the bench yabona and nali way Paris bedlala ngakhona wadu ngizomcompliment ngoba naye ngiqale ngamfaka u7 because sometimes ama coach ama superstars amaningi kunzima ukuthi sikubone ukuthi unzima yabona but wadu into engibonile ngaye wadu beyangamameli whoever uyabona naye ngiyazi ukuthi management inesandla ku Paris ukuthi wine sengikhuluma coaching Paris noma ubana ngathini management ba coach akolana Pirates I don't care who says what that's my belief you understand and as uzwa ukuthi wali win 3 trophies but bekune room ukuthi uhamba usho ukuthi bebangana nkinga futhi naloko futhi you understand so ngizama ukuthi management banesandla balazi ball management ba contribute a lot so wadu uyakwazi win game from the bench wadu iPirates beyitshintshile to Jose Rivero bekwazi ukwenza combination play they could suck you in individual brilliance as well yabo so Jose Rivero bobo Pirates bedlala speed so bekunento ezithu different so how many players beba dominate beba ku national team as well simnika izandla wadu so nhlanhla ngiyakuzwa uyakhuluma umuntu ezoreplace uReligious ukuphendula mina ngihlile email Vetboy hayi ukuthi uzomreplace immediately
but
nhlanhla mina kunenye tournament bengibrand ambassador yayo le under 17 national team eKhosafa last year December last year December year before last year nhlanhla ngibonelo yamfana angithi ngambona 2016 by New Zealand not 2016 2020 3 uZipho Mbizile. I'm very close with Sipho Dlangalala because of I love him, the football, the coach he played. Mina ngifan umuntu owenza kanjalo. So he called the boys, he assembled a team, bebana 15, bego under 16 tournament in New Zealand. And then he called head boy ngimbone megawatt. Wangibiza junior. After training with junior, watch out that talent. Ngathi bekasesena 14. Nhlanhla ngazombona, okay ngimbone ngefriend yakhe Super Sport. Ngalelo langa. Ambona ngale tournament bengiprend ambassador njengoba ngisho Khosafa, thanks for it with bang ngenze prend ambassador under. I saw the boy playing the tournament. Nhlanhla that boy in fact is ready for me ukuyodlala Europe. Mina ngiyasho ngithi it was long time ready to go and play Europe. And manje ayikuthi ngithi immediately can replace Relebohile Mofokeng. But given season or after 6 months asmazi yamfana loya khona angayenza for Orlando Pirates ngicela ungitrust mfethu enye ingcondo i-genius lena.
All right, asiyeni kancane ngaphandle sibuyeni fast. I-World Cup, we are in the semis. Give me your prediction. Who is going to the final? Who is going to the final?
Subukele France na Argentina.
France and Argentina in the final.
Yeah, njengoba isho Michael, France and Argentina.
They're going to be playing in the final.
Yeah.
All right, cool. And then we will unpack the rumor mill next week properly because now, like we said, Nkotha, there's rumors that he's coming back to Pirates. There's rumors that Rapiro might be going back to Sundowns. There's also rumors of Mbigezeli Mbogazi also making a move, might not be making a move. But because of time constraints, we are unable to unpack all these things. But next week we'll come back more time and we will come back. And when we do come back, we would have known who has won the World Cup. We would know exactly if there were rumors or no rumors. And maybe we'll come back understanding what is to be expected in the new Betway Premiership season, who to look out for, and the players that would actually be making more impact. And will there be more players leaving their teams? Because now, you know, the transfer window is still pretty much open and we're likely to know who's staying in the Betway Premiership, who is leaving, and who's making headlines. Hopefully with good things only. Thank you so much for joining us for this episode. This episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. #WSB, #Bet with the best. We are back next week unpacking more and announcing the champion of the world. Thank you so much for joining, liking, and subscribing. See you again next week. Thank you, Siabong.